Hello, I'm Артем Ступак and I want to talk about too much leadership and so few leaders. At the Nordic Business Forum 2019, many business schools teach how to become the first, how to compete, teach leadership. As a rule, the main quality of a leader is the ability to achieve a goal and the will to win. The ability to set goals and achieve in any situation, sometimes cruelly using other people. But is it really a true leader? The goal is what I want to take from this world, and the mission is what I want to give for this world. I know a lot of real leaders who are responsible for the lives of others, sacrifice their interests for the majority. But no one will make films about them and write books. I'm sure that one of the main qualities of real leader is the ability to sacrifice yourself for the sake of others and for the sake of your goal. First, give to the world and then get yourself. Be a real leader.